What's up, guys? If you're new here on this channel, please do well to subscribe. That is very important. And also, not just for my sake, but to also help you be able to have access to any of my upcoming videos. You see, this video, I just have to do it now and try to upload it now. Like if you see me, I'm just sitting down right in my bedroom. I wanted to go to bed before the idea hit me to do this video. I see that there are a lot of young people out there who want to learn crypto, but one of the issues you have with learning crypto is the fact that most of them tell you to pay outrageous amount of money, which if you have that kind of money in the first place, you won't even want to learn crypto. You might want to invest in other stuffs, and most of them might not even teach you what you really need to know, because they don't want you to compete with them, or they don't want you to be as rich as they are. So today I am going to be sharing with you all the tricks that makes a pro. So I'm going to switch over to my laptop and I'm going to show you. But please, before I go ahead, do well to subscribe to this channel so that it will help me, it will encourage me to do other videos like this for you. Before I came over to do this video, I spent over $1,200 on classes, on online classes. So do well to subscribe so that we can keep sharing with ourselves. After I'm done with sharing this video, if you have any question, go into the comment section and ask any question, any premium question, and I'm going to answer you. Here we are on my screen. So already, you know, if you want to trade futures, you can go to this link above. If you want to trade futures, this is a live account. You can see it's a live account. You can see my balance right here. So we are going to be putting this money to test live on this channel right now. We are going to be trading this money live on this channel, and I'm going to be showing you the tips and tricks of what you can do, and I'm going to link to my trading strategy. I'm going to link to my page and everything you need to start trading. It's just a very basic setting. You don't really need to stress yourself, and if you have any question, do well to ask down below. If you also want me to elaborate on any part of this video, do well to also comment down below. So let's start from Binance. So I'm expecting you that before you even want to start learning this strategy, you should have learned how to operate a Binance account. You should have known how to trade futures. If you don't know how to trade futures at all, like if you don't even know how to open a Binance account yet, that means you have to comment below so that I can teach that video separately. This is for people who have learned how to trade but their trades are not profitable already, or people who have an idea of how a trade should work but it is not yet profitable as they want it. So for the people who, if you don't know how to trade at all, please do well to comment below. If I have about 1,000 comments for people who does not know how to trade already, I am going to make a video that will show you the simple way to trade. So this is for futures trader, like I said. So let's start. So before you get started, you need to go to Tradingview. I'm going to put all this link in the description. You need to go to Tradingview, then select USDT as what you want to trade. If you check it here, we have BTCUSDT here, and also on Binance you have BTCUSDT. So I'm just going to leave the link directly in the description so that it will be easier for you to just access from the link. So let's go back to Tradingview. So immediately you go to Tradingview. If you see here, you could see my signal here that tells me when to sell and that tells me when to buy. The name of this signal is the Isaac Open S signal. It is a private signal that I built for I and only the people that are around me. But for the first time, I am opening it to other people who want to take advantage of this. The first thing I want you to do is to switch your time to 5 minutes, the 5 minutes time. Then also go to Binance and switch your time to 5 minutes time, right? Then the second thing you need to do is to switch your candle on your Tradingview. Switch your candle to Heiken Ashi. You go to time, switch to 5 minutes time. Your candle should be on Heiken Ashi. Then your indicators. So instead of coming here to select a particular indicators, there are two indicators you are going to be using here. So I'm going to start with one. The first one is called the ZLSM LSMA. So you see the ZLSMA here, you see one here, you see the other one here. Pick the first one, settings button. So over here at the settings button, you see that there are a lot of options here. So what you're going to do is go to your output. You go to your output and put the length at 50, right? Put the length at 50. Go to your style. To do is to change this to white. I usually prefer it to be a white color, so I'm just going to change it to white color. So now, how do you use this indicator? Whenever this indicator is becoming under your candlesticks, whenever it's coming under your candlesticks like this way, it is an indication for you to buy, right? So whenever it's going above, for example, if you check from here, you see it's going above this indication. Whenever it's going crossing above towards this way, that means it is time for you to sell. So immediately it hits here, you start taking a sell order. That one is just to help you confirm if you should go into the trade. That's why I said the my own personal indicator, which I built myself, has been able to master the algorithm and knows when you should not take trade. For example, you should see when my indicator tells you to sell, you see we have a serious downtrend over here. Then when it tells you to buy, you see a little spike over here before it told you to sell. Then if you look at the other ones, it's the same thing. When it tells you to sell, the market goes up. When it tells you to buy, the market goes down. Let's go back and see more. You see over here, it tells you to buy, and you see the market goes up and up and up. So like I said, we're going to be using my own main money to try out this market. So you can see over here that it's telling us to sell. So what I'm just going to do is just follow the trend and just sell from here. So I'm going to go to half of my accounts, or let's max it out. Let's use the whole of the money in the account. Then I'm going to sell shorts. So let's sell shorts from there. So market order filled. When it immediately tells you to sell, start selling immediately. When it tells you to buy immediately, but ensure that you've gone to other indicators to check, right? So let's look at it over here. So let's say I want to take my profit. I'm going to take profits for 3. So you see we are making profit over here. We'll have about $400 right there. So we're just going to wait for it. I'm going to fast forward this market so that we can be seeing as is. Because of our time, so I'm just going to take profits over here. So basically that will be it on how we can turn your money into something. Like I said, if you want to do this trade, ensure that you see I took my profit at $200 basically because so the video won't be too long. So if you want to try it out, check all the links in the description below.